reach. No, we can't make a mistake here. Yes, a Balkan runner trying hard. Come on, girl, run. And it's Godwin, Robson, and of course Logan. That was a wonderful work, teamwork. Next coming up is the much awaited event, the Tug of War. It's the Clash of the Titans.
Individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean. And the best way to exemplify this is the event, the Tug of War, that is the Clash of the Titans. The final round is between Logan and Robson. They have been the victors so far. Let's see who wins today.
The coin is being tossed by our general manager, Izak Qureshi sir. Let's see who luck favors today. The coin is being tossed by our general manager, Izak Qureshi sir. Logan has chosen the right side, that is to my right, and Robson on the left. Come on, Logan and Robson, hold your breath and cheer out loud. first round.
And now for the second round, there is exchange of places. Now we have Robson House on the right and the Logan to the left. So now let's see who the winner is. We are about to begin with the second round of tug of war between Logan House and Robson House. Come on, children! Tug of war is not only a question of strength, but it's also intelligence. And as you can see, all the participants trying their might. Come on, Robson House! Logan House! Come on!
Come on, Logan! Come on, Logan, let's go!
And
Robson.
finally, the winners,
Three
Robson
cheers to
House!
Robson House! Congratulations, Robson House!
We now have the medley relay, 8 into 100 meters medley relay. Students kindly report starting line.
Our next event is 80 to 100 meters medley relay.
This is the final call for the medley relay, 8 into 100 meters medley relay. Students kindly report.
Participants of the inter-school 4 into 100 meters medley relay. Inter-school relay participants.
It's time for the inter-school relay, the most awaited event. The schools that are about to participate are St. Xavier's High School, Horizon Academy, Wisdom High, St. Philomena, St. Joseph, and Silver Oak Universal School. Participants, kindly report on the field. This is an example of harmony and the true spirit of sportsmanship, where all the schools have come in to participate in the inter-school relay. Let the best school win.
For the much awaited event of inter-school relay, I request our guest of honor, Sir Harish Bajal sir, to please come forward and flag off this race. The race is being flagged off by the guest of honor today. Harish Bajal sir has come to flag off the race to encourage the athletes. this is important. It's always important to finish what you started, and here we are.
All the teachers are requested to get their students ready for the walk past. This is the last event. All the house masters and mistresses are requested to keep their students ready for the walk past. This is the last event of the day, Inter-School Girls Relay.
Good morning, everyone, once again. The event is just about to come to an end. I must say it's been spectacular as a viewer to watch such fantastic events. It would not have been possible without the hard work and planning of Dr. Sarthi and all his team members, academic and non-academic staff. I wish that all parents and all dignitaries give a standing ovation to the staff and all the people involved with the event. Parents, dignitaries, we owe it to these teachers. They shoulder the responsibility of developing these children. A school would not be as good if you did not have better teachers. And children, all of you are winners. Participation is important. Nobody has lost today. Nobody has won and excelled. All of you are winners. God bless you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
We shall now begin with the closing ceremony. All the athletes are requested to take their positions. Parents are requested to be seated for the closing ceremony.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh.
Now you can see the Robson House moving,
cause this is Africa.
followed by Balkan.
This time for Africa.
Followed by Logan and Godwin. These athletes have participated in various sporting events with great zeal and enthusiasm. Let's put our hands together to welcome the winners of the day.
This is our motto.
They've exhibited their talents and skill. Though winning and losing is a part of the game, but what is most important is the participation.
No hesitation.
So as Sir said, everybody is a winner today. Winning and losing doesn't matter at all. It is the true sportsman spirit with what they participated. It's the dedication plus motivation, and that's equal to success. There's no limit to what can be accomplished when nobody cares who gets the credit. So let's welcome the athletes valuable contributions that they have made in scoring points to their houses.
This time for Africa, Jungle, Jungle, Samina, Mina, Sakalewa, Anawa, Jungle, Jungle, Samina, Mina, Sakalewa, Anawa, this time for Africa, this time for Africa, we're all Africa. We're all Africa.
And the scores of the afternoon are: in the fourth place, Robson with 360 points. In the third place, Balkan with 405 points. In the second place, Logan with 436 points. And the champions of the day, Godwin with 447 points. I now request our chief guest, Mr. and Mrs. Chandak, our guest of honor, Mr. and Mrs. Baijal, and all the dignitaries, towards the place of honor for the prize distribution.
All the athletes are requested to please sit down. As we are coming to the closure of today's ceremony, it's time to distribute or to give away the prizes. I am going to first start off with the individual championship awards. And here I request our guest of honor, Mr. Sachin Mahajan, to please come forward to give away the prize for the individual championship award in the category Sub Junior Boys. We have two over here. One is Master Shreyas Dikshit and Master Pratik Kathe. Shreyas Dikshit of Godwin House and Master Pratik Kathe of Balkan House. For the sub-junior girls, the individual championship award goes to Miss Ekta Shelar of Standard 5 of Balkan House. Miss Ekta Shelar, please. Children, please applaud for your houses. These are the people who have added points to your house and made all of us victorious. The next category is junior boys. Cherish moments captured. The next category for junior boys, Dishank Joshi of Robson House. Junior boys, Robson. And for junior girls, we have again Shreya Pingle of Robson House. Juniors, you've done it at Robson. Thank you, sir. For the senior boys and girls, I request Mr. Devkar to please give away the prizes. Boys, senior boys is Parth Patel of Balkan House. There are two to share this. Sumit Bokare of Balkan House again. For the girls, it's Snehal Chaudhary of Logan House. For the inter boys, I request Mr. Goldie Snehal Chaudhary receiving the individual championship award. You deserve it. Thank you, sir. For the next category, that is the inter boys, I request Mr. Goldie to please come forward. The inter boys individual championship award goes to Dhruvil Shah, Balkan House. I request Mr. Goldie to please give away the prize. And for congratulations, Dhruvil. For the inter girls, it's Mansi Ozarkar. Again Balkan. Come on, run. For the super seniors prizes, I request for the super seniors category, I request our general manager Izak Qureshi sir. Thank you, Mr. Goldie. For the boys, it's Manpasand Gurung.